Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Temu coupon bundles to save money on your purchases. Let's get started. First, I'm going to open the Temu app on my phone. If you haven't already, make sure you have the app installed. You'll also need to log in using your Temu account. If you don't have one, you can sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, we can begin shopping. Let's say I want to make a purchase, but I don't yet meet the minimum amount required to use a coupon bundle. In that case, I'll need to add a few more items to my cart. Let me show you how I do that. I'm going to add this item here. Just tap on it and then tap Add to Cart. Now I'll go ahead and add another item. Again, tap the product, then select Add to Cart. You can continue browsing and adding items until you've reached the minimum requirement for the coupon bundle. In most cases, you need to add at least 10 items for certain bundle coupons to work. Once I'm done shopping, I'll tap on the cart icon to go to the checkout page. Here, you'll see a summary of everything in your cart. Make sure to review the items and double-check the total price. Below that, you'll see your shipping information. If you haven't entered your address yet, you'll need to do that now. I'll go ahead and fill that out quickly and come back in just a moment. Okay, now that I've entered my address, I'll scroll down the checkout page. You should now see a section labeled Apply Coupon Code. This is where we'll enter the coupon bundle code. Tap on that section and a field will open up where you can paste or type your coupon code. Once you've done that, tap the Apply button. If you've added enough items, usually 10 or more, a group coupon section should appear as well. This allows you to apply additional savings if the code you're using qualifies. Once you've applied your coupon, you'll see the discount reflected in the total price. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use coupon bundles on Temu. Thanks for watching.